Yes, left cross traffic.
Helicopter 8 Hotel, standby. I know 5-4 aircraft, sorry, it's been non-stop arrivals for 30. I haven't been able to do anything on departures, hopefully another couple minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, tower is really busy.
Yeah, so maybe if we don't get the clearance, we do quick stops first and then the max performance. But we will see. Now we can do the pickup.
605, 1
okay.
Clear for the option.
And also on this one, take your time. Slowly raise the corrective.
Runway 26 right, clear for the
And
option.
if you see the helicopter is moving,
Clear for the option number 2, 613.
then you correct for it
All
first.
traffic over to the, well, they're going to be basing at the freeway. You're number 3 now, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Number 3, clear for the option, runway 26 right, 7 Mike Alpha.
Cessna 2063, uniform Long Beach Tower, 1 mile north of the 91-605, looking for westbound transition along 91.
Nice. Now we are pretty late on the skid, so you can look outside.
Altimeter 3005.
300563, uniform.
And when we move, we stop the corrective.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, swing.
I think we're gonna need a little more left cycling.
Circling the
More left cycling. More left cycling, yeah.
Inbound full stop for runway 26 right, we have information kilo.
More left cycling.
Follow the 91 eastbound, please.
More left cycling.
More left side.
Left cycling, yeah.
Following
A little front and left.
eastbound, 6 kilo Charlie.
Ah, that's actually enough, yeah. Now right skid comes up, right cyclic.
Yep.
And we are in a hover. Nice. So right skid comes always up first, right? So as soon as you feel that, you can apply a little right cyclic and this brings up the other pad.
Number 1 clear limit, sorry, I have to do this.
Continue.
Go back to the down one and follow the diamond off your right.
Okay.
Right back to the down one, playing 1 0 limit.
Maybe they get the clearance now.
Yep.
Let's bring us in a little higher hover. We're very close to the ground.
78. Traffic lines runway 26.
As soon as you feel we descend, you raise the collective a little bit because we want to stay at this altitude. That's a really nice altitude for a hover. Okay, now there is another guy on the runway.
Yeah.
So I would say we do lane work. So you can say helicopter 426 at pad 4 requesting lane work.
Lane work. Okay.
Okay, when you're ready, you can do the radio call.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower Helicopter 426 at pad 4 request terrain walk.
Helicopter 426 approved.
Approved 426. And you don't have to say Long Beach Tower again. It's enough if you just say helicopter 426 at pad 4.
Okay.
Because we only say Long Beach Tower on the first call. Okay, let's hover to the left. So let's try to do a hover turn. Wait, hold on. We do a pad turn to the left and you try to stay in the middle of the pad. Only the helicopter turns.
Okay.
So not the whole helicopter, so only the nose turns.
Okay.
Okay. Left side clear?
Yeah, left side clear.
Helicopter moves a little bit, correct.
We have the 12 o'clock traffic in sight, looking for southbound transition along the 710.
Number 6 uniform, outer below 1000, please
Okay,
approve.
nice. Then you can slowly do a hover taxi.
Yeah.
Number 6 kilo Charlie traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, 1300 has you in sight, continue eastbound, please.
Not too fast, yeah, that's good.
Continue eastbound.
Now we have a little vibrations, that's perfect. We want to keep exactly this
You
speed.
can turn into the 45.
We call these right the vibrations. Yeah, these are really nice.
And it turns southbound at a 1500.
Make sure your nose stays where it is. Slowly raise collective a little.
Okay.
And now lower again. Yeah. That's a good,
direct to the 45,
good
please.
attitude,
Enter on the
good
45.
speed. Nice.
To the 45, 6 kilo Charlie.
Oh, the 2378 connect SoCal departure, we'll see you.
Okay, don't get too fast.
3 Hotel, pad 3 east of 30 is approved, clear for takeoff.
But clear for takeoff, this time there's going to be a regular Hunter 80 Hotel.
Okay, normal pattern then, pad 3 clear for takeoff.
Okay, normal takeoff, me too. And Tower, just heads up, once you're landed, we'd like straight out departure after this one.
Nice. If you keep exactly that, that's perfect. That's a really nice hover taxi.
Simply option 26 right, thanks, once you're landed.
So if you feel you get too slow, forward. If you feel you get too fast, half taxi.
Okay.
But that's really good now.
Clear for the option, runway 26 right, 7 Mike Alpha.
At this gray spot, you can stop.
Okay.
Oh, don't get too close to the ground. So as soon as you feel you descend, you have to lower raise collective.
Yeah, raise collective.
Okay, now we are in a good position.
Yeah.
So you can turn us around 180 degrees. Left side is clear.
Left side clear.
When we get there, we'll extend our downwind.
So if you do a right pedal turn, you have to do it very slow. Nice. Nice, and left pedal now. The right pedal turns, you always have to be careful.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do one, and you can feel along. I have controls.
Yeah, you have
I have
control.
controls. Because here we have a left crosswind, so I'm gonna take care of this one.
Yeah.
But you can put your hands on the cyclic and collective, just not on the pedals, okay?
Yeah.
I will just tell you what I do, and then you can try the next one.
Okay.
So first, we do a gauge check, 1, 2, 3 in the green, MSS center, capital is yellow, caution warning lights off, taxi in the green. Oi, oi, oi.
November 7 Mike Alpha, thanks, turn left to Kilo 3,
good on fuel.
traffic on a half mile final.
Okay, let's get out of here, so I'm gonna
November 37 Quebec,
start my speed to get up some speed by playing a little forward cyclic, and I just wait now. That's enough forward.
Yeah.
Nose a little to the left, into the wind. Now nose comes up. Now I let it come up, a little more forward cyclic.
Yeah.
And I raise the collective. Now I should have good speed. I need a little more speed for a better performance.
Yeah.
I'm still in the climb. Okay, now I'm a good altitude, so I lower collective a little bit.
A lower collective.
And forward cyclic. And this is now an air taxi.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna say quick stop in 1, 2, 3, lower collective, aft cyclic, right pedal. Now I just wait, and now raise collective, forward cyclic and raise pedal.
Okay, like that.
Left pedal. And now I want to make sure that I keep this vibration and I don't descend too fast. So I raise the collective more and more and more.
Traffic in the down.
Only 26 right, Pepper.
And more and more. And not too much because I don't want to climb. I just want to stop the descent.
Okay.
And now we are safe on the ground. Left side is clear.
Left side clear.
Get us a little to the right. Have a little more space. Yeah, a little to the front.
6 Kilo Charlie, turn base.
Turn base, 6 Kilo Charlie.
November 54 Echo, traffic upwind is leaving the area. Right,
Okay,
traffic
it's pretty windy, so it's going to be hard. Maybe I help you a little bit, but you can now try it.
Yeah.
So you have controls.
I have control.
You have controls.
Tower Helicopter 90.
So we're going to stay a little bit left of pad 4, okay?
Okay.
And you can do a landing gauge check first.
Okay. More pressure, green, absent, curve, time is out of yellow, no cushion line, no warning lights, taps the screen.
Okay. And whenever you're ready, you can start to increase your airspeed.
Kilo Charlie, runway 26 right, clear to land.
6 right, clear to land, 6 Kilo Charlie.
November 37 Quebec, base 605, runway 26 right, clear for the
When
absent.
the nose come out, raise the nose, so keep a little forward pressure and raise the collective.
Okay.
Because this is already our climb. Raise the collective a little more.
6 miles to the west.
And now here is the front, lower. We have a good performance here. That's nice, a nice climb. Okay, that's a good altitude, so now we can lower collective a little bit and forward cycling.
Yeah.
More forward, more forward. Yes, that's a nice air taxi. And then we count. We quick stop in 1,
2, 3.
lower collective, right pedal, aft cycling. Lower collective more, lower.
From traffic 12 o'clock.
And now raise collective, forward cycling. Don't raise too much, that's too much, don't lower.
Westbound,
Forward pressure.
1,600.
And now you start to raise a little more.
Okay.
We have a helicopter inside.
Forward cycling, we are really heavy vibrations.
Now,
Yeah.
These are perfect vibrations.
Okay.
If you keep those, that's nice.
1,600.
More forward. Vibrations get too heavy.
Negative contact, location
6 uniform. They'll be off your left
Okay.
at 1,600
Raise a little more now.
indicated, half a mile.
Raise and left pedal.
Helicopter 82 Hotel Pop 3, that's close traffic.
Helicopter 83, hotel pad 3, clear for
Nice, that was pretty good actually.
Yeah.
We just ballooned a little bit, so we have to lower the collective a little more.
Exchange roof too.
In the flare, right?
Yeah.
Because we climbed. And in the end, to level off, we raised collective too much.
Yeah.
Okay? So in general, the position of the collective has to be a little lower at the whole procedure.
Okay.
2,000.
Okay, then let's do the gauge check first and then we turn, because it's going to be hard to hover.
Oil pressure, green, absent, curve time is out of yellow, and no warning light, no cushion light, taps the screen.
Okay, then let's do a left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn, okay.
Left side is clear.
Left side clear.
Slowly. Okay, let's turn a little to the left. Yeah. Now we have a little headwind like this. So let's keep the nose this direction, that's good.
This direction, okay.
Because then we have a little better headwind. You can also, if you now start to apply, to gain airspeed, you can apply with the forward right cycling.
Yeah.
Okay, whenever you're ready, you can go. Yeah, right pedal.
Long Beach
And right cycle.
947
Let's get some airspeed in this direction.
6 miles west of the field.
Yes, nice. And let's keep it, more forward, more forward.
Long Beach Tower, eastbound.
There are the vibrations, let's raise, Let's raise a little more collective. Nice, that's a good altitude, so you lower and forward cyclic. Lower, and forward cyclic, forward. So forward to right.
Governor 26 downwind is approved. Hold east of runway 30.
And now quick stop in 1, 2, 3. Lower collective, outside down, lower, and now forward cyclic and raise. And left pedal. Nice. Really good level off. More forward pressure, more forward. Yeah, that's good. Keep that airspeed. And raise collective slowly.
Basin 605, clear the outer 26 right, 85 correct.
Left pedal.
Left pedal.
More left pedal.
Just come out, specify this corridor.
Nice. It's really hard conditions, but that one was actually pretty good.
Yeah. Yes, eastbound over the 91, please. I'll call your turn towards the airport.
Just have to make sure we lower the collective a little more.
Yeah.
Let's try to hover over there.
Hover over there, okay.
Yeah. So we have to lower the collective a little more for the quick stop.
Yeah.
And we have to make sure we don't raise collective too much for the level off.
90 Delta pad 2 clear to land.
And on the when we sink down, like the steep approach back to the ground,
Yeah.
you need more forward pressure.
Forward pressure.
Yeah, because we cannot lose these vibrations. We cannot stop and go down.
Okay.
We need more forward. As soon as you feel very heavy vibrations, you have to, even before that, you should apply forward cycle.
Okay. 1,500 over the freeway, please.
Okay, then let's do a gauge check.